How to create a group on Roblox. Hello everyone, welcome. In this video I'm going to show you today the easiest way how to create a group on Roblox, so just watch this video till the end. So the first things that you need to do, you have to come to your Roblox, open it. It will open directly on your homepage, as everyone know. So next you need to come to this 3 point here, and right now come to groups. And what's next you should do right now, you have to come, wait until it show me the other things in this list, come to create a group, click on it, then you will add the name, the description, the logo or the image, and here the privacy, for example, if anyone can join or just manual improve. And but you need to have 100 of Robux coin. So that's it guys, I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.